Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to change layout in Google Meet. If you are in a Google Meet call and want to change the layout to better see everyone, here's how to do it. While you are in the meeting, move your mouse to bring up the bottom menu bar, then click on the three dots, that's the More Options button. From the menu that pops up, select Change Layout. Now you will see a few different layout choices. Auto, which lets Google decide based on the number of participants. Tiled, which shows everyone in equal sized boxes. Spotlight, which highlights the speaker. And Sidebar, which keeps the speaker big and shows others off to the side. Just click the one you prefer and it will switch instantly. If you go with tiled, you can even adjust how many people appear on screen using the slider below. So that's it. Your layout is now customized to fit your style or focus better during the meeting. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.